Good evening, guys. It is Monday, March 18th. We're going to be doing a quick top-down analysis on NASDAQ. This shouldn't be more than a few minutes long, so let's just get right into it. Here on the weekly chart, I have marked out our intermediate term highs and our intermediate term lows. We can see that we swept these lows. What can potentially happen is either price holds 50% of this order block and we go sweep out, clean up these buy stops. If we get a close below 50% of this order block, then going out and taking out these sell stops is highly likely. Moving on to the daily, we can see that we created this imbalance. Came back, touch, come back. We're still holding 50% of the fair value gap, so I like that. One thing to note though is we are still not in a discount, so I won't be looking for longs, because we look for longs in a discount and we look for shorts and a premium. So that's the gist on that. If we don't hold this fair value gap, then it's likely that we go and take out these sell stops. Vice versa, if we hold, then it's likely that we go clean up these buy stops. Moving on to the 4-hour chart, we can see that we created an imbalance to the downside. Came up, swept these highs. We're coming back down and testing, see if we can invert that fair value gap. If price doesn't hold this inversion fair value gap, then we can potentially come down here into this fair value gap, which we will be in a discount at this time. And we can also see we have our OTE set up, so we can start looking for a potential buy model entry, and we can target these buy stops up here and up here. If not, if we can't hold this imbalance, then it's likely that we go down here and clean up these sell stops. So I just want to end this on important things to keep in mind. We do have our FOMC meeting at 2 p.m. on Wednesday. I'm more than likely just going to tape read and just wait and see what happens, because we want the highest probability setups, right? Patience pays. Don't feel like you need to trade every day. This is a long-term game. That pretty much speaks for itself. And here's a quote from Warren Buffett: "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." And that speaks for itself as well. So that's pretty much all I have for you guys. I hope you all have a blessed night or day wherever you're from, and I'll see you in the next one.